Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Tuesday, March 24th, and I would like to do our phonics lesson. We have a new special sound today. How appropriate for a snowy day to have the sound fl in flake. Once more, let's say it together. Fl in flake. Flame, flap, fly. Two special sounds, fl and I in fly. Flute, silent E, long U. Float, two vowels together. The second one is silent, the first one is long. Float, flag. Now let's echo them together. I'll say them and you repeat them after me. Flame, flap, fly, flute, float, flag. And once more, our special sound is fl in flake. Let's review them all now. K in duck, E in me, O in go, I in fly, A in pray, st in stop, fr in frog, tr in train, sh in ship, pl in plain, th in thick, th in this, bl in block, cl in clock, and once more, fl in flake. That's our new special sound for today. God bless you and have a great day.